Hey guys, it's Megan, and I'm going to do a video of my bird, Lady. So yeah, there's Lady. Lady, hand up. Hand up, Lady. She's having a high five. She's giving you a high five. And yep, that's Lady. Lady doesn't talk very much. She gets nervous, so she doesn't talk so much. But say hi, Lady. Lady. Well, she's not going to do it today, guys, but that's it for today. I'll do more videos, but not for right now. And this is my dog, Mask. Mask, say hi, Bubba. Mask. Good boy. That's Mask. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Okay, bye.